Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today I'm going to be giving you my Valentine's Day look. So, of course you guys know time is never on my side. It's not even time, I think it's just me. I am always late and impromptu. So Valentine's Day, my husband took us out for dinner, an early dinner, and I wanted to do a whole look for you guys. So I ordered the pink Hanifa robe and it was so beautiful. It came perfectly, literally on Valentine's Day morning. So I knew I was gonna wear that with some cute little sandals. So I rolled out this body wave wig and I installed it. Get a load at this beautiful hairline. The baby hair you'll see at the end of the install on that day was a lot more wispy. It's a little bit more like edge control down today because I have been wearing it since then. That was Monday and today is Thursday. So I've had it on a few days and this is kind of like a revamp. So you'll see in the video the full install process and what it's going to look like in its natural body wave state, and then you'll see me jump to the end where I'll show you guys what it's going to look like if you do some barrel curls with it. I did use my Babyliss curling iron. I believe this is a 1 inch, and I kind of used it like a wand curler instead of using it as an actual curling iron. Be sure to check that out in the video and the technique, and it kind of gives you a different but similar curl. It gives you more of a wave when you do it this way. So that's just one way to make your curling iron multifunctional. So I'm not going to talk you to death. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Go ahead and subscribe if you would love to join the tribe. Now let's jump right into the video. So this is her here, and you guys see she has a beautiful wave to her. I was gonna do curly hair, but the actual outfit that I wanted to wear actually showed up today. So I'm gonna stick with body wave, and I have time. I'm gonna just put some wand curls in the end. But as long as the hairline is good, I'm doing sitting apart with some wispy baby hair. So as I mentioned, this is a full lace wig. So I'll be able to do so many fun hairstyles with this one. Let me show you the outfit that we are going to be rocking. I'm sure you guys can hear some crying, but we are going with Hanifa today, which is black owned. And I'm going to pull a picture on the side of this on the website. This is what it looks like. Isn't that gorgeous? So let's go ahead and get prepared and get dressed. Again, it is 3:15, so reservation is at 4:30, and I have to get the kids ready. So we're gonna zoom through the install and probably do something really natural with the ends. Might not even have time to do makeup, so I'm gonna just go ahead and do a talk through because y'all know how it goes. So okay, step one was just to remove the lace in the back. You guys see the lace back here. This is gonna open up the wig so that I can go ahead and put her on. If you put the lace or the wig on without cutting that lace off, you'll have to cut the lace off while the wig is on and you can't see. So you definitely will run the risk of cutting your wig too much. She's 22 inches in length, if I did not mention. You could definitely go in and bleach the knots. You guys can see they are very thin and fine, which I love because it's easy to camouflage these if you don't have time to bleach the knots like I don't. But you guys can also see how beautifully the hairline is plucked. Very gorgeous. I went ahead and just cut off all of the lace because, truth be told, I'm on a time crunch and I don't have time for the razzle dazzle. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tint the lace from the inside. So using my Fenty foundation, this one is my perfect shade. It is 420. I'm gonna just do, I think I did 4 or 5 pumps. I'm just gonna buff it into the inside to make sure that the lace matches. What I find is that it's best to concentrate the product more so at the hairline, like right here. And then just fan it out throughout the rest of the hair. But the hairline is really what you want to camouflage and blend the most. I find that when you focus on getting it in the parting, sometimes even though the hairline will match perfectly, as you drag it into the parting, it will appear a little bit more orange, which we can of course conceal and cover with our concealer in the end, but I don't know why. Kind of did a rush messy job, but this would just do an awesome job at making sure that the wig lace matches and kind of covering up the knots a little bit. Let's blow dry it. Look at how amazing the hairline blends just from that little step that we added with the foundation. As I mentioned, this is a full lace wig, so you get superb amount of parting space. I literally can go all the way back. If you want it, you can do like 2 ponytails, you can do a high bun, you can part and do a half up, half down. A half up, half down probably would be a great idea.
You think I'm crazy, but I know I am. You're losing your patience, I already have. Don't try to change me, I'm just the way I am. Don't try to save me, cause I can't be saved. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm no good, but you know better, better. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm slipping in too deep. This is what I need. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other friends. Calling each other friends. Don't try to please me, not sure that you can.
Blend it down for sure. You can see a little bit of residue. That is the downside to adding foundation underneath. That mixed with the product is definitely going to have a color, but you guys already know by the time it's all said and done, it'll be like that never happened. Just trust the process. So I do have to spray a good amount. I put the lace on top and kind of allow it to absorb it, because you want to make sure there's enough. Then I'm going to go on top, rub it in. This is a little bit too long, so let's just cut it shorter. Put it on top. Once it's absorbed, you can kind of dab off any excess to kind of avoid the residue a little bit. I'm so done. Okay, we're gonna vibe out. We're gonna step out a center parting and make that look really good. And then we're also gonna do some wispy baby hair. We're gonna use this for the parting, this for the baby hair.
Yeah, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did now. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count, so lose your worries. Let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste time on fake friends. I just wanna get high, I just wanna get high, I just wanna get higher. Sometimes people will try to hold you back from being who you want to. Don't be questioning why, do whatever feels right, find your passion and fight. Cause we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count, so lose your worries. Let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down.
Let me live with you, let me be in your crew. I just wanna be free, be with people like me. I'm so not in the mood to be broken and blue. I just wanna go dance, baby find me some romance. I don't wanna talk tonight, I don't wanna waste another night. I just wanna hit the floor, maybe somewhere I haven't been before. I don't wanna kill the vibe, I don't wanna feel it if it don't feel right. I just wanna break the ice. There's so much more go dance, maybe find us some romance. I don't wanna talk tonight, I don't wanna waste another night. I just wanna hit the floor, maybe.
Yeah, you running off, my hands are tied. You coming back, my hands are tied now. We're making love, my hands are tied. I'm waiting on you, trying to play, but my hands are tied now. You running off, my hands are tied. You coming back, my hands are tied. We're making love, my hands are tied. I'm waiting on you, trying to give, but my hands are tied now. Tapped out on the scene, throw some checks, we're gonna branch out on the real. And I got myself a new dummy, call my guy for more money. And as long as I don't be running, things are not gonna get ugly. And I promise you that I'ma cash out. You know me, throw some checks, we're getting racks now.
Okay guys, so today is Wednesday. Technically it's Thursday because it's past midnight, but it is Wednesday and I am kind of finishing up this look. You guys know Monday was Valentine's Day and I went ahead and attempted to do a get ready with me where I was supposed to show you guys my outfit, the vibe, and everything that went down on Valentine's Day. I don't know what I was thinking because there absolutely was not enough time. I am just very terrible when it comes to time. So since Valentine's Day, this has been my daily wig. It's only been a couple of days, but this has been the wig I've been wearing all week. Now this one does not fit glueless, so I do a quick like spray down in the morning, and I kind of let the baby hair do what it's gonna do. I kind of just will guide it a little bit, but for the most part, like you guys know, I'm a mom in the morning, so I'm up at 7 a.m. to get my son to school, and then from there it's madness, taking care of the girls throughout the day, doing carpool and just, you know, activities and things like that on top of work. So it was nice to come back in and kind of revamp the wig a little bit. It didn't need much work, but because I let the body wave all week, and then I just kind of wanted to amp it up a notch because you guys know body wave is a very relaxed texture. It gives like beach waves, but very subtle, if that makes any sense. Like it's wavy, but it's not as defined as if you went ahead with a hot tool. So I kind of wanted to amp it up and kind of show you guys that you can get some waves with the curling iron. The one that I use is from Babyliss, and I believe this is a 1-inch. It may be a 1.5, but I'm almost sure it's a 1-inch. I'll have it in the description box with the right dimensions. Now baby hair, for me personally, because I've been redoing it on a daily basis, I feel like it was the best on the first and second day. Third day is not bad, but it's just less wispy because it's a little bit more weighed down from using product from day to day. But yeah, don't really have any complaints. One little hack that I do is like, you know, you can do a lace tint or even just powder and concealer when you first install, but then like throughout the week, like since I did my makeup today, this is the beauty blender I used to do my makeup. Yeah, you want it to be damp when you use it, and then you also want it to be clean. So if I cleaned it today after I did my makeup, I would still have to go in and wet it and, you know, get it damp on the next time I do my makeup. So I just kind of kill two birds with one stone and do it that way, and that's just been my routine. But yeah, the hair was perfect. I honestly didn't have any complaints about it. This is the packaging if I did not show it already. But this was the dust bag that was in the box. You guys know a dust bag is almost like standard with companies nowadays, and you kind of need it. And then this here is, I believe, a wig band, like a belt belt and a bonnet. So you have a perfect set of items to kind of keep up with your wig and to protect it when styling and installing. But yeah, no complaints. As I said, I've been wearing this one all week and I just loved the natural texture. But I wanted to show you the versatility by amping it up a little bit. I wish I would have had time on Valentine's Day to add some sexy curls to it like so. But you know, better late than never. Go ahead and check this one out. Of course, there is a link in the description box if you're interested. Also, lists and links of everything, all the products and hot tools we use to complete this look are there as well. I'm Ashley Bedeck. If you're tuning in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe, give me a thumbs up. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!